Mix cloves with dish soap and you won't believe the result. I never imagined that combining these two ingredients could make this happen. My friends were surprised by the results, and now everyone asks me for the recipe. So make sure to watch until the end as I'll teach you the right way to use it. To start, add 8 ounces of water in a pot. Then turn on the heat and wait for it to start boiling. As soon as it boils, let's add the cloves. There isn't a specific amount. You can put about a handful of cloves. After that, let it boil for 5 minutes. And after the time has passed, you notice that the water's color will change. That's exactly what we need. The water becomes concentrated with the components of cloves. Now just strain the mixture and then discard the cloves. We're only gonna need the liquid. Next, we're gonna use a floor freshener. Add about 3 ounces to the mixture, and you can use your favorite brand here. We're also gonna add white vinegar, the same amount, about 3 ounces. And finally, let's add the dish soap. I'm using this red one, but feel free to use whatever you prefer. Add 2 tablespoons and then mix well. And folks, this tip is great for your home. After learning it, I can't go without it anymore because this is really useful. Once you mix well, it's ready. And now all you gotta do is transfer the mixture to a spray bottle or any container that makes it easy to apply. After I started using this at home, I no longer have problems with insects and flies. This mixture is excellent for repelling all kinds of bugs, flies, mosquitoes, roaches, and spiders. And you can also use it to train your pet. If your pet does their necessities in the wrong places, just apply this mixture. Because cloves have a strong odor, and pets don't like the smell, which solves the problem. And you can apply it in different places at home, on the sofa, table, pillows, and carpets. Also, you can apply it to countertops and furniture, as it has dish soap and vinegar, which are great for removing marks and stains. And beside all these benefits, it's also going to leave your home super fragrant. So, make sure to make this repellent air freshener at home. It's super easy and cheap to make, and you have all these benefits at home. So that was today's tip. I hope you really liked it. Thanks for watching and I see you guys in the next video.